Hi, Jessica Kinney here, and today I am going to share with you a meditation that will definitely help you get a little bit more grounded. So for this meditation, you just want to make sure that your feet are near the ground, whether that's sitting Indian style, lying down, or in a chair. A chair will also work, just as long as your feet are angled somehow towards the ground. Now let's go ahead and let your eyes start to drift closed. Just focusing on your breathing, breathing in and out through your nose. Nothing to do but focus on that breath. Feel the air as it enters into your nose, cool and refreshing. Notice how it exits your nose, softer, heavier. And just stay with your breath, in and out. And with each breath, your body and your mind start to relax. And that relaxation grows. And you start to notice that relaxation by how your body feels. And with each breath, your body relaxes more and more. The relaxation rolls over you like waves over your body. And your shoulders soften. And your body softens. Your arms feel heavy by your side. Your legs feel heavy. And those waves of relaxation keep rolling. Let's follow one of those waves of relaxation as it starts at the top of your head and makes its way down over your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your chin, your neck. That wave of relaxation makes its way over your shoulders, your chest, your arms, your stomach, over your core, your sit bones, rolls over your legs, your kneecaps. Finally, all the way down to your ankles and your feet. And as that relaxation rolls over your feet, they start to grow roots. And these roots grow from your feet into the earth, anchoring you. And you feel strong. And these roots make their way into the earth, diving deeper, deeper into the core of the earth. And you are rooted and grounded through these roots. And they work their way all the way to the core of the earth, and watch them as they dive through all of the layers to get to the core. And when they reach that core, all of that energy in the core and that feeling of grounding comes up from the earth, up into those roots, into the soles of your feet, and finally into your body. Your entire body feels deeply grounded and deeply rooted. You feel strong and capable. And all of the little distractions that are surrounding you look like leaves. Leaves on a tree. And those leaves fall. They fall from the tree and they scatter away, never to be seen again. All that is here is you and the earth. And take a few deep breaths in this space. Deep in through your nose and out through your mouth. And noticing how your body feels, tethered to the strong earth. And you start to allow your mind and your body to reconnect with the physical world, and allow your eyes to start to open. And as you look around, notice how things look different when you feel a bit more grounded, a bit more rooted. And you can get rooted anytime you like. You can stand outside, you can do it in your home. Just visualize the soles of your feet growing roots, and imagine those roots sinking deep into the earth to help you get grounded. Remembering you are strong and capable.